Congress MP and former Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi has asked the government to take strong and decisive action against Pakistan following the recent terror attack in Pahalgam. And he further then questioned the authenticity of the 2019 surgical strikes, saying no one had seen any proof of them, prompting swift criticism from the BJP and a subsequent clarification from him. In a later statement, Channi has attempted damage control, saying his remarks had been misinterpreted. Not too long ago, former leader Chaudhry Rakesh Tikait had also sparked controversy with his scandalous comments, making claims that are entirely bogus. He has stated that the thief who had committed this act is not in Pakistan but among us. Then why don't you hear it yourself, viewers?
कि जो एक घटना घटी है इससे लाभ किसको हो रहा है? कहां ढूंढते फिरोगे भाई? चोर तो आपके बीच में यही घूम रहा हो।
हमारे देश में आकर कोई बम गिरे पता नहीं चलेगा। कहते जी पाकिस्तान में हमने सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक किए थे, कोई कुछ नहीं हुआ, कहीं नहीं दिखे सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक, किसी को नहीं पता चला।
Arzu Seth, my colleague, is joining me live on the broadcast with more details. Arzu, now this is in fact getting controversial as the day progresses. Now with Congress MP Charanjit Singh Channi now stirring a controversy with the perpetrators related to the terrorist attack of April 22nd. While at one hand, all the oppositions and in fact the centre continue their resolve to be together in unity to face the acts of terrorism. Now the threats of in fact the allegations are coming from back home. Now Charanjit Singh Channi has also questioned on the same lines that Rakesh Tikait has. Share more details.
Well, definitely, Simran, addressing a press conference after the Congress Working Committee meeting, Channi said that the government had nothing, done nothing even 10 days after the attack, and we demand concrete action, and the entire country is watching to see what the action will be taken against Pakistan. He doesn't stop here, but also, he said that the people are waiting for the so-called 56-inch chest to act, and we want the government to respond swiftly and deliver the result. Referring to the 2019 Pulwama attack in which 20 CRPF Jawan were killed, Channi said that the government later used the incident to claim a retaliatory action, but we have never seen where in Pakistan these strikes were done and where the people were killed. So he questioned that also. In fact, there's a lot of things, the surgical strike were questioned by him. He also dismissed the measures that the government is now taking, like visa cancellation and also the suspension of the Indus Water Treaty as ineffective is what he said. Channi backtracked on a surgical strike remark. However, following this strong criticism from the BJP, Channi backtracked from his remark, saying that I have said earlier also that the Congress party in this hour of the grief is with the government, and if the government disrupts their water supply, means Pakistan's water supply or air or whatever action it takes, we are standing like a rock with it. So there has been a change in the statement, but yes, there has been a huge controversy, and also the BJP has started attacking the Congress party, and also the former Congress leader Acharya Pramod Krishnan has in fact said that it is very unfortunate that a former CM of Punjab questioning the Indian army, and also the question is not about Narendra Modi, BJP or the Congress. The question is about the India's existence and identity. This is a fight for India's existence. So yes, there is a huge controversy, and now the war of words have even started regarding this.
All right. In fact, Arzu, thank you very much for sharing more details. Meanwhile, viewers, several political reactions are also coming